Hi folks, we've got kind of an interesting project for you today. We have a four-wheeler and we have a green trailer here. We don't have a big green tractor, so we're going to try to make this work so that we can do some yard work with it. The big problem here is how do you hitch this trailer to the four-wheeler? This is only a 250. It's not a real powerful trailer, but certainly, you know, to haul some mulch and some branches and things like that around the backyard works really well. So what we're going to do is try to develop a hitch here to have this tongue fit on the back of the four-wheeler. There is a hitch piece that appears to be a hitch piece on the back here, but you have to be very careful because that is a pot metal. So what we're going to do is extend this out a little bit, and what I've done is I've cut a pattern to make a piece of metal that goes on there that will extend the hitch out. And so I was able to acquire a couple pieces of metal at the metal supplier, and they were kind enough to cut it in approximately the shape that we needed here, and also pop the holes in it because these are 1/4 inch pieces, so very strong. The real trick here is that the hitch piece is 1 3/4 inches, and this is 1 3/4 inches as well. So what we want to do is we want to build this out so that whenever we do hook the trailer up here, that it'll be extended out. That gives you a little bit more room between the back of the four-wheeler and the trailer, so that when you turn you have a bigger radius. Folks, said I acquired these pieces of metal here that aren't quite the shape that we need to fit on the back here. So what we're going to have to do is use this grinder to kind of shape it in so that it fits on there, so that we can bolt it onto the hitch on the four-wheeler, and then this is the peg that goes in to attach the trailer to the back of the four-wheeler. So I'm going to use my grinder here. I've got it all wired up to kind of shape it down and get it to fit, and then once I get that to fit, we'll bolt it together, and then we should be ready to go. Okay folks, first thing you want to remember here is wear some safety goggles when you're using the grinder, and of course you want to have some gloves as well, and you want to be in full dress so that this doesn't come on you, get onto you. But got this started up here. I've marked this off here, so what we need to do is kind of shape it. So we're going to use this grinder to grind off what we need, and just slowly but surely get this to fit. Okay folks, we got the job kind of wrapped up here. Just want to show you what we did. We've got the four-wheeler connected to the trailer. We've extended the hitch out a bit with those 2 metal plates that we looked at earlier. So you can take a look at this. What we've done is we've put 2 metal plates on here. We put a bolt through here to hold those on that hole, and then we hooked the trailer hitch up to here and put the connector bolt through there. So anyhow, this will give us a trailer that we can use on our four-wheeler, and we don't have the big green tractor, but we do have the small green trailer, and should get a lot of good work done with it. So if you like what you've seen here, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Andy and Dan.